welcome back to my channel. Thank you for stopping by. Today we are going to be unboxing the November BOXYCHARM. So BOXYCHARM is a monthly subscription. I pay $25 US a month for this, and it is my favorite box that I am subscribed to. I think now it's the only box I'm subscribed to because I canceled Glossy Box. I finally bit the bullet. So I believe 5 to 7 full-size items, and it's supposed to be $100 or more in value. So let's see what's inside. I have my handy opening tool, i.e. my pen, because I never bring a knife to the table. There we go. All right. So here is what the inside of the box looks like, and there is a card which tells us the theme. And on the back has all the prices of everything we got. So this, I believe, the theme is invite only. So let's see what we got. What is this? Oh, this feels like a big, huge box. All right, so the first item we got is from Skin Fix. I'm sitting really far away from my camera right now. This is Skin Fix Resurface AHA BHA enzyme exfoliating pads, retexturizing peel to smooth, brighten, and tackle dark spots on face and body. Oh, so it's a multi-level skin surfacing. I like a good exfoliating pad. It's a really bright color too. Oh, hello, healthy skin barrier. Oh, and then total skin nerds. And then we get to the product is. Literally, this box is blinding me. Did I say blocks or box? This packaging is also blinding. So this is, we get 60 pads, which is a really nice amount to receive. I love a good skincare item. So first item, not so shabby. Next up, we've got a spray of some sort from Bodyography Pro, and this is a makeup brush cleanser. Oh, this is perfect. So it's 4 fluid ounces or 118 mils. So you spray direct. I can't talk tonight. It might be because I've had some wine, although this is my first glass, so that's probably not it. So, spray directly onto brush hair and gently wipe on a paper towel. Use sparingly so as not to soak brush hair. For deeper cleaning, work cleanser into brush hair and rinse in cool water only. Squeeze excess and lay brush to dry. I can't see without my glasses on. So, this is perfect. I actually don't have any brush cleanser. So, love to get something I don't have. Next up, I looked, I spilled everything. Except we have some brushes. So this is from what brand? Luxy and Pawtips. Dawdips. They use the Broadway font, which is hard to kind of read and tell if that's a P or a D. But I think it's a Luxy and Pawtips collab. Not sure what Pawtips is. There's that. But we did get a really nice 3-piece brush set. And my favorite color is orange, so that's exciting. So this is blend, shade, and define your look to perfection with this travel, face, and eye brushes, including a festive zip pouch to store them in. This set covers all your essential brushes that you'll need when you travel. So it includes a Luxy blush face brush, a Luxy concealer brush, and a Luxy medium angled brush. Love Luxy brushes. Luxy brushes are my favorite brand of brushes. I cannot, oh, it's got a little thing that makes it hard for me to open. Oh my goodness. Get it out. It's got one of these tags, you know, that keeps your sweater tag on at the store. Why can't I get this off? I'm going to try to get this off, and then I'll be right back. It smells like a pencil case. And those are just really pretty with the orange with the white. So you've got a nice blush brush, which you can probably also use for your face powders. And then 2 eyeshadow brushes. And they're super soft, nicely packed, so they're very good quality, I think. As I said, Luxie is my favorite. So I'm glad to have received these because you can't have too many brushes. So I'll put them back in their lovely pouch. So that is perfect for travel. Okay, next up we've got a box from Ace Beauté. Also a brand I really love their eyeshadows. I've never tried anything else other than their eyeshadows actually. So this is a eyeshadow amplifying base in the shade Light. What is an eyeshadow amplifying base? Like a primer, I'm going to guess. So the eyeshadow amplifying base is a full coverage product that should be applied before eyeshadow. It base intensifies your eyeshadow colors, both matte and shimmer, and allows the colors to stay on longer. It's actually a squeezy tube. There's not much else to say about that other than it's 15 mils and 0.1 fluid ounces. I'm going to put a little bit, so that's the applicator. I'm going to put a little bit on my hand just to see. So it's like a light nude color. It's very thick. So I guess you would blend that out and then pat on your eyeshadow and it would stay longer. But you can also rub it all the way into your skin. So that's exciting. I mean, it's not exciting actually. It's nice to have. But basically I think it's just an eyeshadow primer. But I've never tried anything else from this brand, so I am interested to see if these, if this is as good as the eyeshadow. We're back to our last item. We're not back to it actually. We're at the end. I am not drunk, I promise. It's just my camera is farther away from what I'm used to, and I can't even see what I'm recording. So hopefully it's not all blurry. We got an eyeshadow palette, friends. So this is from Violet Voss. This is Violet Sunset Pro Series Eyeshadow and Pressed Pigment Palette. So I have got 3 Violet Voss eyeshadow palettes. I don't use them very often. I really should start. So the inner packaging and the outer packaging are the same. And then, I'm going to guess it's pinks and oranges based on the box and the name. What is it? Oh, so it's a really nice purple gold, brown, and a little bit pink. That's definitely my colors for sure. Really pretty. So we've got how many? 10. Let's give them a little swatch. I'm gonna give it a little swatch, and then I will show you on my hand. Really nicely pigmented. And actually, I would wear all of these colors because I love pinks and purples and browns. Because I'm wearing pink and purple right now. Yeah, so this is a really cute little palette. And I'm going to try to actually use it. Because I have so many eyeshadow palettes that just kind of sit around not getting any use. So I will try and give this one a fair chance. Very pretty, very pretty. So that's it. That's all. So let's get some pricing. So, starting with the eyeshadow palette, this is $37, which seems a little steep for me, but that's okay. Then the Luxie brushes are $40 for 3 brushes. They're very expensive, but I think they're worth it. And then the Skin Fix Resurface Exfoliating Pads, $50. That's very expensive. The Bodyography Makeup Brush Cleanser is $19. And then the Ace Beauté Eyeshadow Amplifying Base is $14.99. What is that total? I'm not sure. I'm going to have to ask Google. Please hold. Alright, so our total is... I've forgotten. It's $160.99, I believe, which is great, but please do the math if you need to, because Google asked me like a bunch of questions after I asked her how much this totaled, so I got confused. All right, so $160, We paid $25 US for the box. We definitely got our value. But I based it on will I use the things I got. And I think I will use everything. So I'm going to pick my favorites. My favorites will be the Luxie brushes. Then the eyeshadow palette. Then the exfoliating pads. The brush cleanser. And then the amplifying base. Just because I don't use a lot of primers. I should though. But I don't really go anywhere in the day, right? Like I work from home. I don't see a lot of people. So yeah, that was the box for the month of November. Not too shabby. Not too shabby at all. I'm really surprised at how gorgeous these colors are though. Because judging by the box, I thought it was going to be a lot more orangey tones. But I'm happy that it's purples and browns and golds. And they swatched amazingly. So I'd like to thank you all for watching again, as always. I really appreciate it. What do I have coming up? I still have 2 advent calendars to unbox. The Glossy Box 25-day calendar and the Look Fantastic 25-day calendar. I'm really excited for those. I really should get into them. But I want to finish decorating for Christmas so that it's all like in the background. I have one tree. It took me a week to get it fluffed, lit, ribboned, and then I hung the ornaments. Today I decided to go a little more simple and just use my ball ornaments instead of all my other bits and bobs. I like the way it turned out. So yeah, if you wouldn't mind liking this video, you can click like down below. You can also click here to go to my channel to subscribe. There's more videos here and here for your viewing pleasure. And I really appreciate you watching and for your support. Have a great day.